Just like how we fall sick and get a cold and cough, our furry companions can get the same. I'm Anushka from Team VOST and I'm here to spread awareness about the kennel cough. The kennel cough is a highly contagious respiratory disease among dogs and is also known as canine tracheobronchitis. It is easily transmitted from one dog to another through contact in a contaminated area. Symptoms of kennel cough include nasal discharge, eye drainage, and vomiting of white foam. It is important to contact a veterinarian for a complete diagnosis. Treatment usually involves an antibiotic course to address the infection. If you suspect your dog has kennel cough, it is best to consult with a vet for proper care and guidance. The kennel cough season can occur at any time of the year as the disease is highly contagious and can spread easily among dogs. However, the kennel cough tends to be more prevalent in environments where dogs are in close proximity to each other, such as boarding facilities, kennels, grooming facilities, or dog parks. Want to know where I got all of this information from? Well, I got this from VOST AI, the world's first leading dog-specific AI. Click on the link below for more tips and tricks to keep your dogs healthy, safe, and happy.